What's up, traders? Welcome to another day trading video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 trading habits that almost ruined my trading career, and at some point it actually ruined it. Now, you're not going to believe the last one because I see a lot of traders still making this mistake. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Forex. I've been day trading since 2012. That is 13 years of trading forex and gold. So hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you for stopping by. The first thing you must understand as a trader that wants to see profitability is that you must know when to stop trading for the day. This is something I struggled with during my early days. Why? Because after making decent profit, for example during the London session, I would tell myself, if I can do this, means I have the ability to make more, I have the capacity to make more. So I will try and be chasing money. I'm not chasing setup anymore. What this does to you is that you will not just end up giving back your profit, you will end up losing your account. Taking loss does not mean you're a bad trader. It only means that it is not just your day. Every strategy has a win rate and a losing rate. So borrow money to trade, funding all you have to trade, and trading for people when you are broke. If you are doing this as a trader, the market is already leading you. You're already on the losing side. Do not borrow money to trade. Do not fund your last money to your broker account, and do not trade for people when you are broke. If the money you have in your MT5 is bigger than what you have in your bank account, believe me, you will lose it. That is a honest truth. And these are topics that traders don't like engaging in. Why? Because they don't just want to hear the truth. Do not go about telling people that I will manage your account when you know deep down that you are not financially buoyant. The third one is switching strategies and trading multiple pairs. Now let me tell you what this does to you as a trader. You will end up making money on gold and giving it back to GBP/USD. If you want to see profitability, trade one strategy, one pair, at most 2 pairs in one session. If you do this for 6 months to 1 year, then you'll be able to know the win rate of your strategy. Why I say 6 months is that strategies and setups are calculated in percentage, and percentage is rated over 100. So you must trade your setup minimum 100 times to know the win rate. If you lose 60 and you win 40, means you have a strategy with a win rate of 40%. If you win 80 and lose 20, means your strategy has a win rate of 80%. So, and you cannot just have this data in the month. In the process of you doing this, you are journaling, you are building data. This is the data you can meet with somebody and say, I want to manage your account for you, I want to trade for you, and this is why I feel. If you want to manage account for some brokers, they will tell you, give me a trading report of 3 months to 6 months. What? They are not trying to see how you flipped $100 to $1,000 in 2 days. No, they are trying to see if you are able to compound profits. They are trying to see if you are disciplined. They are trying to see if you know what you are doing in the market, not just a one-time hit wonder. So if you're someone that wants to see profitability, or if you're someone that is struggling with profitability, I will advise you to trade just one pair, one strategy, and one session, and do this multiple times. The last one is trading without the stop loss. I've seen a lot of people trade without stop loss, and they will tell you that they don't take losses in the market. These are perfectionists, and I always tell people that there is no room for perfectionists in the forex market. If you trade without the stop loss, what you are doing is you are giving the market and the broker 100% authority and control over your trading account. I'm not sure if you guys know what is called slippage. I'm not sure if you've seen bad spillovers that happen during the news. Don't trade without stop loss. I know people that when they're having losses, they don't close their loss. They always tell themselves that the market, anything that goes up will come down, anything that goes down will go up. Not in forex. In forex, there are things that go up that don't come down. There are things that go down that before they go up, your account is actually gone. You've lost your account. So please guys, do not trade without stop loss. You are not a perfectionist. It is okay to take a loss. Taking a loss means you are human, means you are trading with a system. Be okay with the outcome of every day's activity. Plan your trade. If you are a trader that plan, you know, when I tell people about trading plan, they don't just want to hear. Traders don't like hearing about trading plan. They don't like hearing about I don't just know why, and I believe that is why we have 1% of traders. Is it okay? Let me say 5% of traders that are successful. Out of 100, we have just 5%. And believe me, the 95%, they are completely avoiding trading plan. Trading plan will tell you when to stop trading for the day, when to take a loss and move on, when to accept your profits, when to accept your break even and just move on. Now, you cannot make all the money you want to make in the market in a day. If you are still thinking that way, it means you are a gambler and not a trader. And there is a thin line, and there is a thin line between a gambler and a trader. It is okay to flip an account, and it is okay to compound money. If you can flip an account and you cannot compound an account, it means you're not a trader, you are a gambler. Because believe me, I am a good flipper. When I mean flip, I have flipped $10 to $500. I have flipped $50 to $1,000 in space of a week. So, and I've as well compound $1,000 to $10,000 in space of 1 year. I'm not just talking about a 1 month record. As a trader, you must have the ability to flip. You must know how to flip and how to compound. Why? Because there are days where you will require the skills of flipping, and there are days where you will require the skills of compounding. So this will bring us to the end of this video. If you're still watching, please hit the subscribe and like button and share your opinion in the comment section about what I just dropped. See you in the next video.